Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your boy Defi, and I'm just bringing you another crypto video about a new DeFi on the Binance Smart Chain. It is called PANTHERSWAP, and this platform is literally the same as PancakeSwap. For those of you who have been following PancakeSwap and all the other DeFi tokens like QuickSwap token and Uniswap token, so it is totally the same. So the reason why I'm bringing it up to you guys is that I don't want you to miss it. If you missed PancakeSwap in its initial stages, don't miss PANTHERSWAP because this thing is just growing like crazy. So far the market cap is at 18 million. It is just released like a day, and market cap is already 18 million, and the total value locked is 71 million. So this thing is just increasing. By the time I got in, the price here, it was just 1.2 dollars. So you can check in my previous videos in my channels. I shot a video where I showed how you can buy this token. So the thing is just growing, and it has got some other features which can prevent rug pulls. I'm going to be showing you that. So it is literally the same. It has got the exchange. You can exchange your tokens here. So as you can see, you can change from BNB and then you change to any other token that you feel like. There are many here, as you can see. I made a video showing how to change BNB to Panther tokens. You can check my video on my channel and see. So it has got that exchange, it has got liquidity. You can add liquidity to in order to receive the LP tokens and all those such things. It has got the farms where you can stake your LP tokens to earn Panther. So far it has got, there are 9 farms here. You can check and see. You can stake Panther, BUSD, Panther, BNB. Now I'm in this one on my other account. It is on my phone. So these are the different farms where you can farm your LP tokens and earn Panther. So it has also got the pools. You can stake the tokens to earn Panther. Here it has got the Panther, it has got BUSD and WBNB. So, and also these other ones, it has also got Cake. You know, Cake is for PancakeSwap. You can also stake it here, and they have got lockup periods. Harvest lockup here is 2 hours. This is 8 hours. So you can put in any that you feel like. It has got jungles. These ones have not yet started, but they are coming according to the document that I saw. And there is also the lottery. You can play with your Panther here, and if the chance gets you, you can win. As you can see, people are already playing with it, and some people are already winning. And it has also got the referral program. So they say that share the referral link below to invite your friends and earn 1% of your friends' earnings forever. So for team builders, you can refer as many people as you can, and then you earn 1% of their earnings forever. As long as they are in the program or in the exchange, you will be able to earn 1% of their earnings. So that's a good thing. They have got the ant whale here. You see, whales are the ones who have been destroying this platform. So they have got the ant whale future here that prevents them from taking out or selling their tokens. So they need to sell only a certain percentage. What else, guys? and they have the audits here. You can click on, I'm leaving my link in the description of the video. You can click on it and check out all these things. They have got the price charts. As you can see, there is Dix Guru, there is Pocoin, and there is Bob Finance. Let me check this out. There is also a chart here on CoinGecko. As you can see, Coin Panther. The price of it is, let me refresh and get the updated price. So it is 2.8, as you can see. So you can see where the thing started from 0.7, it went up. When it reached 2.27, most people sold. It went down, then started coming back again. Now it has gone up, and then it is going down. So people are panicking to sell just because some of them are in profit. But if you are seeing this for long term, don't sell. Just keep your tokens and keep buying more, because we have seen where these things they can go. For example, let me show you PancakeSwap here, and you see, you want to see the price. It is at $40 and it started in cents, so it is too early to sell this. So you can see the charts. Liquidity is 11 million, and the total volume in 24 hours is 35 million. So basically this thing is just beginning. There's no need of selling your tokens early. Just keep them and wait. Now this is Pocoin. It is loading slowly, and this is Booked Finance. So these charts are literally the same, so they put them all together so that you guys can see them. So, and it is also listed on the dark radar. Actually it was ranking highly. Let me show you here. These ones we don't need them anymore. Guys, I was showing you PancakeSwap, the price. It was, let me connect. So I just want to show you the price of PancakeSwap at the moment. You can see the total value, it is in billions. Over 10 billion is locked. So it is too early to start selling this thing, guys. Don't panic sell, just keep buying more and referring more people so that you can earn a percentage from their transactions. So this is the Prada. So these are the trends, the total users. See the total users in just 24 hours. There are over 10,000 people, wallets that are interacting with the DApp Smart Wallet. So you can see that the volume in just 24 hours is 7.9 million, and this thing is just literally beginning. So don't panic sell, guys. I will repeat that, don't panic sell. So it is just the beginning of the journey. What else? Let us go to more, see what we have here. So these are the documents, the roadmap. These things you can take a look at them. So guys, I'm leaving my link in the description of the video. Feel free to click on it and join under my team, and you help to get the commissions. So they have got also a Telegram channel. These are the channels you can click on. They are also on Twitter, and you can keep following the updates there. So this is PantherSwap, guys. Don't miss it. Just join and follow the Telegram channel. There is a lot of interaction in the channel there. You can keep following it and see. So that's it, guys. I'm going to leave you my tutorial showing how to buy these tokens using a Trust wallet or any other wallet. It is literally the same. You just have to follow and proceed and use your wallet. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video.